move! Where's the gun at? Let me see your fucking hand! Where's the fucking gun? Stupid motherfucker! What the fuck's your problem? Forrest, we're gonna have a test in a second. We'll blow your fucking head off, dude. Make any money.
They want to get your attention, I promise.
Where's the gun? It's right here. Is that where you left it? Or you guys put it?
Well, he came in. I didn't know what he was talking about.
I promise I don't have no problem with you guys.
Fuck you, dude. Don't fucking shoot at us.
Sorry, I was trying to shoot over you.
No. What the fuck is that, dude?
Come on.
Yeah, go ahead.